I am Associate Professor in the Department of Civil Engineering at Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Lunere. This is my second video prepared for International FDP on environment and sustainability. So in this video, we are going to see what are the standard requirements as per ACI and NRCMA for pervious concrete. The first video was on pervious concrete for environment sustainability. The highlights were pervious concrete pavements can allow large quantity of rainwater to percolate into the underlying soils and at the same time reduce the entrance of pollutants in stormwater systems. So we need to have this stormwater to percolate in the soil so that the water table that will rise, and that will help us in reducing the total load on the water treatment systems. So pervious concrete basically it's consists of ordinary Portland cement, uniform size of a coarse aggregate and water. The pervious concrete produces interconnected voids typically 1 to 5 mm between the coarse aggregates, which allows water to permeate at a much higher rate than conventional concrete. In general, the coarse aggregate size ranges from 10 to 20 mm and the water to cementitious material ratio ranges from 0.26 to 0.40. Admixtures may be used if required. To have sustainable water management in urban areas, the impermeable surfaces produced that should be minimum. Hence, the pervious concrete offers the best solution for rainwater runoff and pollution problems in urban area. So we are going to see what is the requirement for pervious concrete in terms of void content and density. Void content is highly dependent on several factors: aggregate gradation, cementitious material content, water to cementitious material ratio, and the compactive effort, that is compaction provided for making the pervious concrete. The aggregate size ratio is not very large when using aggregate blends. That is, if we use 10 mm, 20 mm, then the size of aggregate is not very large. Hence, the pore size or the voids produced that will be in between 1 to 5 mm. Pervious concrete should be proportioned with a relatively low water cementitious material ratio. That is what one of the requirement. The another property is what should be the pore size. The sizes or size range of pores in pervious concrete is also a major factor influencing its properties. To generate a very large size pores in the material, larger aggregate size are recommended. The another property is the percolation rate. One of the most important features of pervious concrete is its ability to percolate water through the matrix. In general, it is 200 liters per minute. In conclusion, the void content of the pervious concrete should range between 15 to 35% with a compressive strength of 2.5 to 30 MPa depending on the requirement or the use of pervious concrete. The infiltration rate of pervious concrete may fall in the range of 80 to 720 liters per minute per square meter. Typical densities are in the order of 1600 kg per meter cube to 2000 kg per meter cube. The percolation rate of pervious concrete is directly related to the porosity and the pore sizes. A minimum porosity of approximately 15% is required to achieve significant percolation. These are the references shown. Thank you.